In this video, I ultralight fish one of my favorite small creeks, and this is an underrated spot because it's in a small town. Not very many people know about it, but it's super productive. I got tons of action in this video and one really big personal best at the end.
Let's land one. They're casting down. Make a few casts down here. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Maybe this is why they don't want people on here. Oh, fish is on. A fish just chased it. Oh my goodness, guys. I wonder if you saw that. Back on. Speed it up. He's not committing to. There we go. Hold on. Get that net. Please don't come off. Don't spoil it. Ah, crap. Okay. Oh. I don't want to let him swing it on the dock, but look, that's strange. Okay, hey, dude. Okay, wait. There we go. Put him in there. Woohoo! Okay, buddy, you're good to go. Sweet. Yeah, I know you're not supposed to let him flop on the deck, but he hooked into my net, so I didn't really have too much of a choice there. Oh, we're getting hits. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh, come on. Hook came out. Oh, that was a nice one, too. I mean, I highly doubt he'll bite again, but... Well, then I'm gonna go upstream a little bit. Oh, that was a nice one that I got into. I don't know how I lost him. I'm definitely gonna get snagged, but I don't even mind too much. Oh, okay, it didn't come off. This is one of the places you don't think it would be good, but it's actually pretty good. There we go. I'm on. Keep him pinned. It's a nice one. He's trying to swim over there. Ah! He popped off. Oh no. That was a good one. Ah. A few more casts. I totally frayed up my braid, so I'm gonna have that drag loose. Okay. Let that sink a little. Let's do a slow retrieve. There we go. Last cast too. Keep them pinned. Nice one. Oh, that's a personal best for sure. Oh my goodness. Stop, I gotta unhook you, buddy. Hey. Oh, no. That is a tank. Oh my goodness. Got him. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Dude, that was my personal best cutthroat trout on the last cast. That's insane. That is so cool. Goodness, guys.